Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to talk about the remaining 30 MCQs that is related to the chapter number 2, bacteria and gram stain. In the previous videos lecture of this chapter we already talked almost 7 or 8 videos lecture in which we talked 30 MCQs respectively. If you miss these video lectures, so I will recommend you that must go back to my channel and watch it, or there will be link in the description box of all these videos which I have already talked. You can go you can check the link in the description and watch the videos. That is really important for you. So MCQs number 241 says that the difference between in the true bacteria and mycoplasma, it is due to because it does not possess what? So it does not possess the cell wall, remember. Okay, B is the correct option. MCQs 242 says that the organism responsible for retarding penetration of host cell by an indicator of ATP synthesis, so it is mostly Rickettsia. B is the correct option. MCQs 243 says that mycoplasma are different from chlamydia, so it is due to the lack of true bacterial cell wall. Okay, fungal disease in human is caused by, so it is mostly caused by, E is the correct option, none of these. MCQs number 245 says that fungi different from bacteria, that is due to, so this is due to the now remember, fungi do not have the peptidoglycan, bacteria have the peptide, so A is the correct option. Fungi and bacteria, yeah, it is also correct. So D is the correct. E is the correct. All of these is the correct options. 246 MCQ says that as a polysaccharide capsule is present on cryptococci, so the correct option is A. Okay, inhibit phagocytosis. The largest protozoa is, so the largest protozoa is Bacillium coli. A is the correct option. Pre-mutation is particularly seen in, so it is particularly seen in case of the Plasmodium. C is the correct option. 249 MCQ says that which of the following vaccine contains attenuated from bacteria, so it mostly contain BCG. A is the correct option. The bacteria which is motile at 22 centigrade but non-motile at 37 centigrade, that type of bacteria is called as cell fusion. Now teichoic acid is what? Teichoic acid is actually found in gram-positive bacteria, so A is the correct option. MCQs 252 says that one flagella at one end of organism is called as, we called it monotrichate. A is the correct option. What is the function of bacterial capsule? So the main function of the bacterial capsule is to protect the bacteria from the phagocytosis, production of helps in adherence both. So there is no option of the protection, so none of these is the correct option. D. Which of the following is the characteristics of the bacterial spores? So the correct option is highly fraction usually, so D is the correct option, all of these. MCQs 255 says that which of the following acid fast structure? So acid fast structure, it is mostly used in case of the Mycobacteria, Nocardia, bacterial spores, so all of these is the correct option. D. MCQs 256 says that all of the following are acid fast structure except what? Except Clostridium, they do not have the acid fast structure. MCQs 257 says that all of the following are energy source of the bacteria except absorption of the heat. C is the correct option. MCQs 258 says that identity of the obligate anaerobes, so we mostly identify it by Clostridium tetani. C is the correct option. MCQs 259 says that streptococci which are destroyed at 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. What we call that? So yeah, all these can be die at 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So D is the correct option, all of these. MCQs 260 says that toxins or enzymes which are not produced by streptococcus pyogenes, so what we call that, we mostly call a phosphate. Okay, so phosphate is actually the enzyme that is not produced by streptococcus pyogenes. 261 MCQ said that the cholera red reaction is identified by which type of acid? So it is identified by sulfuric acid. A is the correct option. 262 MCQ says that diagnosis of the carrier Salmonella typhi may be shown by the bile culture. B is the correct option. Desi heat colony. So Desi heat colony is associated with the Chronium diphtheria. B is the correct option. Neal-Moseley reaction is related to what? It is related to rickettsia. A is the correct option. All of the following are the DNA viruses. So only Paramexo is the RNA viruses. So B is the correct option. The dengue fever virus is what? Dengue fever virus is actually the arbovirus. A is the correct option. Dengue fever is caused by what? Dengue fever is caused by virus. B is the correct option. Which of the following characters are related to virus? So it is intensive to interferon. D is the correct option. Main causative organisms of chickenpox is, so the causative of the chickenpox is, there is no option, and the main causative chickenpox is actually the chickenpox virus. There is no option. So D is the correct option. None of these. Rickettsia are stained with, it is mostly stained with Genesian and Castanida stains, Machvillia and Gemzinston stain. So both A, B is the correct option. So that's all about the MCQs that is related to the chapter number 2, bacteria and gram stain. Inshallah, in the next video's lecture we are going to see the MCQs that are related to the sterilization, culture media and power culture technique. Means chapter number 3 we are going to see the MCQs of the chapter number 3. So I hope these videos help you. Thank you so much for watching.